In 2008, Dr. started investing, and by 2018, 6 months before his 50th birthday, Dr. gifted himself a 1 crore portfolio and was financially free and officially retired. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I am Aaron Dias, founder and CEO of Signature Turned Autograph, MC by hobby and student by profession. So let's start with today's video. This story is about that person who started his career as a dental surgeon and now a full-time financial consultant. The person who made himself a crorepati through investing within less than 10 years. Yes, he is no other than Goa's first financial doctor, Dr. Celso Fernandes. Dr. Celso was born in Chandor, one of the beautiful villages of Goa. He did his schooling at St. Brito's High School, Mapsa. After pursuing a bachelor's degree in dental surgery from Goa Dental College, Dr. set up his own clinic. With time, Dr. had 3 clinics in the state of Goa. After 18 years of practicing dentistry, Dr. realized that he was just like a daily wage laborer who, if he did not go for work, would have no income. This is the time Dr. started learning about investing and came across the book Rich Dad Poor Dad. This book changed his life and he realized that rich people don't work for money, but money works for them. In 2008, Dr. started investing, and by 2018, 6 months before his 50th birthday, Dr. gifted himself a 1 crore portfolio and was financially free and officially retired from dentistry. Dr. Celso is also a founder of Navemarg Foundation, which is a charitable institution which focuses on education and sanitation. This charitable institution contributes more than 1 crore every year to charity. The revenue earned from Navemarg Financial Services is used by Navemarg Charitable Institution for betterment of society. Dr. Celso is a strong believer of the quote that first 25 years of life is for learning, the next 25 years is for earning, and the years beyond 50 is for giving back to society. Because the more you give, the longer you live. Dr. Celso has a dream of making Goa a financially free state so that we can retire young. In 2021, he achieved his goal of creating 100 millionaires under the age of 25. Now Doctor's goal is to create 100 crorepatis before 2024 through Navemarg Foundation. Dr. Celso has a strategy to make you a millionaire before you turn 25. Here is a small message from Dr. Celso.
Who says it's actually difficult to grow rich in India? India is a country of opportunities. India is a country which is the fastest growing in the whole world. And if you learn how to manage money, let me tell you, anybody can become rich. Especially the college students. If they are taught the basic things between saving, investing and trading, these 3 words, if you understand properly, let me tell you, anybody can become rich in India.
This was a very short video on Dr. Celso's life. He has achieved a lot of awards like Business Professional of the Year, Dentist of the Year and lot more. If you all are interested, then comment down and I'll get a detailed video on Dr. Celso. You can also check out my other videos like the story of Dominic D'Souza, first Goan HIV patient, Dr. Pramod Sawant, current CM of Goa and so on. Okosmat mioluli dolot, saukas komi zayt vedoli. Thode ektaop, was Gireskayacho Rosto. Dr. Celso has the strategy. 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 Dr. Celso has the strategy to make you a millionaire before you turn 25.